What's up, everybody? My name is NewsD5 here back with another video. Where today I'm going to be going live on Instagram in a couple of seconds. And if you're wondering why my hair is wet, is because I just fell in the pool. Yeah, it's horrible. And hopefully on the Instagram stream we can get some people involved in it. I need a place where you guys can see. Usually Gage gets on with me. I don't know if he will though. Alright, let's go live. Alright, we are about to start the live stream in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and we are live. Okay, let's hope we can get some people involved. Alright, no one's on right now, but let's see if Gage gets on. Alright, so I'll just talk to you guys for right now. So, how's your guys' day been going? Am I stalling? Yes, I am. Like I just said, I fell in the pool. It was the worst ever. Like, I just fell in the pool. Like, I tripped over a metal bar and fell in the pool. It was just horrible. And why is no one getting on the stream yet? I have no clue. Okay. So, if no one gets involved in the stream, then I'll just try something else, I guess. I'm still trying to decide whether to upload this on my second channel or main channel, because this is a vlog, but like, if I'm talking to Gage GGP, I should probably upload it on my main channel, so like, I'm trying to decide whether or not I should. Why is no one on the stream yet? Dude, this is absurd. Alright. Why is no one on the stream? Alright. You know what? I actually have not done a house tour yet, which is stupid, so while we're waiting on people to waiting on people to get on the stream, I will show you guys my house. Alright, so, this is gonna be awkward holding two things, but anyway, this is my my basketball goal and everything. You guys have seen this before in videos, and, you guys have actually not seen most of my house in my videos, but, this is the front yard. Yeah, it's a huge step down from my old house. Huge step down. And here's what my house looks like from the outside. It's pretty cool. And so yeah, this is my front yard, and no one's still on the stream. It's getting way ridiculous. And remember the new rule: haters get reported. I said that today on my second channel. Haters get reported now. There's just, well, I'm not going through that again. If you want to see that video where I talked about that, go to my second channel and watch it. And alright, let's get up here. And here's the pool. And I know it looks green on camera, but it's actually blue. For some darn reason, it looks green on camera. Why is no one still on the stream? Alright, so yeah, and here's the backyard. Garden and everything. Pretty cool. And, alright. Let's go back in the house. This is getting really ridiculous. Way Why is no one on this stupid stream? Normally people are getting on there like crazy. Okay, this is stupid. It's honestly stupid. Let's go inside the house now. Alright, I know you guys have seen this part of the house before. But anyway, this is my my sunroom. Here's bunk beds that I used to use, but I don't use them much anymore. And here's the living room. I believe you guys have seen this before in a video. There's the living room. And here's the kitchen. You guys have seen this before in summer is here in Popcorn Celebrate. And let's go. There's the front door. Now let's go down this hall. And this is my room. No, I did not do this queen size bed. But it's pretty cool having one. And then here's the bathroom that I don't really need to do. And that is my house tour. And I stalled you guys for that long, and there's still no one on the stupid stream. I really don't want to force you guys to wait for this. But like, if Gage gets on, as soon as I stop this video, I'm gonna be mad. Get out of the way, son. I'll just get in front of it. So, now what? Honestly, do not know what to do, guys. I have no clue what to do. What on earth should I do? Music! Bang! What am I supposed to do? I guess try to sneeze with my eyes open. And got some pepper here. And I'll put some on. This is really hard to do with one hand. Get some on my hand. There we go. There's some on my hand. Get a little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. I'll sniff it. Let's do it this way. This one doesn't have much kernels. I'm about to sneeze. I have to keep sniffing this stuff. Why am I not sneezing? Dude, I'm trying to sneeze with my eyes open. Oh, some got my eye. Why am I not sneezing? This looks so weird. Why am I not sneezing? And why is no one on the live stream? My nose, like, it's burning up right now. But, like, I'm not sneezing for some reason. Why am I not sneezing? I apologize for wasting your guys' time in this video. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. I really suggest you subscribe to me. And by the way, also follow me on Instagram at NGCT5GamingMan, at NGCT5_GamingMan_. Man. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and do all that stuff right now. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.